मेरे पास एक highly powerful and advanced beast PC. ये एक all-in-one powerhouse which can perform and deliver on everything you throw at it, from editing to gaming. ये सब कुछ कर सकता है. Made from the best components, this PC has our 24GB ASUS AMD RX 7900 XTX graphics card and AMD RYZEN 7950X processor, which is supported by the ASUS X670 Prime motherboard. An extremely fast 32GB DDR5 RAM by Kingston Fury, a 1TB WD Black SN850X SSD. And to cool all the heat that this PC is packing, we have the Cooler Master 360L core with ARGB. अब हमने इसके सारे कंपोनेंट्स तो देख लिए, बट अब देखते हैं रियल वर्ल्ड में कैसे परफॉर्म करता है। ये सारे पावर को टेस्ट करने के लिए सबसे पहले मैंने मेरे सारे फेवरेट गेम्स के लिए वो भी अल्ट्रा सेटिंग्स पे, जैसे कि GT5 ran on an extremely smooth frame rate of over 110 FPS. Need for speed payback? Start on a very fast 270 FPS. Winning on Tekken 7 was very fun because of the lag-free 60 FPS. And my favorite was swinging across buildings at 110 FPS on my Spider-Man remastered game. उसके बाद we ran some 3D benchmarks and it blew us away with a strike score of 49,327 with a graphics score of 29,704, a CPU score of 13,800 and time spike score of 25,325. Basically, this PC has everything you could ask for. It can perform and deliver on all your needs. But to get all this power, you have to pay a price. You can find this PC on VishalPeripherals.in with the price tag of 1,65,000 rupees. I hope you enjoyed this video. For more videos like this one, do subscribe, like and share to all of your gaming buddies. And I will see you in the next video.